blows very, very cold.
You love it.
Easy installment. We love it.
Hello everybody, so this is it, my new portable air conditioner. I live in Florida, so I have central AC, so I keep the house at about 76, and I have a storeroom that I call a cold room, which is an extra bedroom that I've put this one in, and I like to keep this room at a much lower temperature. This one is set to 61 degrees. I keep like sometimes fruits, vegetables, dry food that I store, that kind of stuff in here. Stuff that I want to store a bit colder. It's been running for about 2 months now, and I'm very happy with it. Basically, install and forget. Also because the house is has central AC, I don't have too much trouble with drainage from this one. It doesn't extract much extra water, so I have to empty it maybe once a week, the drain. It's got your basic AC controls, up and down temperature, fan speed, the mode, which is just fan, dry the room or cool the room, and then there's a timer as well. It's got a remote. Heat extraction has to be a little bit more permanent. Right now it's not very permanent, but it's working very fine. But I have to do a little bit more carpenter job on that. What else can I say? Actually not very much. It's just a good machine. It doesn't complain, it does its job. The room is cool and I'm very happy with it. I can recommend it. Thank you.
So I am in love with this portable AC. So I honestly ordered this based off of reviews, and I'm just so glad that I ordered this. It was so easy to set up. As you can see, my window was vertical versus the horizontal ones. So that was my deciding factor for purchasing this, because I had to, find one that was vertical. But anywho, so it's honestly, I didn't even read the manual. The manual is right here. And I didn't even read it in the manual. That's how, easy the setup was. I just simply, attach this piece right here. So when it comes in so of course the pieces, you got to assemble the pieces. But, this piece right here, you just simply slide it in, and then it connects. And then the hose right here, and then after that, boom, you set it up in your window. What I did was I also added some duct tape, so you know I'm not like losing a lot of air, and I can keep everything, you know, insulated and into my room. So yeah, I definitely would just recommend this. If I can give it 10 stars, I would give it 10 stars because it was just so quick and easy. Like, it literally took me 10 minutes to set up. I love, as you can see, I have a little toddler running around, but I love that it has a child lock as well. So, you know, if she was to touch something, you know, it won't mess it up. And then also, if she sticks her little hands in here, you know, of course, I'm not encouraging it. I hope she doesn't, my God. But, you know, you don't have to worry about like a blade or anything because you can, you know, you can kind of close it as well. So I just love it. I love it. I'm so super happy. I love Amazon. Amazon is like Shein. You know, where Shein is like Amazon, if anyone else knows that app. I stay on Amazon. It's my life. I love it. And again, this is a great purchase. So definitely recommend it. Alrighty.